Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. I always get asked in the comment section if I can do a complete video on how to create a low content book, how to create a good cover, and show you the whole process of creating low and no content books. So in this video, I will do exactly this thing. We will create together a compositional book, a graph root compositional book. I will show you what resources you can use. We will creating the interior, so a graph root interior, and we will creating the cover together. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And have fun with this video, and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. So as I mentioned, we are creating today a graph ruled interior for a composition notebook, a logbook, whatsoever. And we are using the tool of Self-Publishing Titans because you can easily create different types and styles of interiors within 5 minutes or under 5 minutes. So I will link the website down below. We are at the website of Self-Publishing Titans, and as you can see, there is a button Low Content Maker. So if you click on this button, it opens a tool where we can create, as I mentioned, different types of low content book interiors. The first thing you have to choose is the size of the book. So for example, do you want to create an 8.5 times 11 book, 6 times 9, 5 times 8, whatsoever? You can select different styles of sizes here. As you can see, if I'm scrolling down, you can see different types of dimensions. In today's video, we will create an 8.5 times 11 book. So we select the chosen size form and click on the button next. So now you have the opportunity to select different types of styles, and we are using the graphing page. So we are clicking on graphing page, and as you can see, it instantly creates us a graph root interior within 1 second or 2 seconds. And the next thing is we are clicking on next. If you want a detailed explanation of the whole tool, the person from Self-Publishing Titans did a very great video, and you can watch it on YouTube and on the website directly. So we are clicking on next, and now we are choosing if we're using bleed or no bleed. So if you are using bleed, the dimensions of the book increases. So for example, the standard dimension of our book is 8.5 times 11, and with bleed it will increase to 8.625 times 11.25. Okay, so the margins increases of the book. We are choosing bleed, and as you can see, as you will see, the interior changes. As you can see, the interior got bigger, and now we are selecting the page count. So for example, you can choose 100, 200, 150 pages, whatever you want. We are choosing right now 120 pages. And now we can choose the line gap. As you can see, if I'm playing with this dot, the style of the interior gets bigger or smaller. And I think in the line gap by 11, it looks very good. The next thing is the page margin. As you can see, if I'm playing again with this dot, it changes the margins, and you can create a book like this. If you are creating a graph root compositional book, I would recommend that the interior is covering the whole page. It looks better, and maybe you can remember from your time at school that a composition notebook or graph root notebook, the interior always is going to the complete page. So now we are ready with our interior and we are clicking on next. Congratulations, your book is done. So now we are finished. It only took us 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And now we are ready. We created a graph ruled notebook, composition notebook, and now you can download it from this page and use it as your interior to upload it on Amazon KDP. So after we did the creating of the graph ruled interior, now we have to create a cover, a good looking cover for our composition notebook. The first thing we are using is the website booko.com. It will generate us instantly a good template of the cover, and we can work with this template and build and create our cover design on this template. So the first thing you have to select is the button KDP Cover Template Generator. And if you're clicking, you can select if you want to create a paperback or hardcover version. We are only going in this video for the paperback version. Then you have to select the dimensions of the book. As I mentioned, the standard dimension of our book was 8.5 times 11, but we used bleed, so the dimensions increased up to 8.625 times 11.25. The page count was 120. And the only thing you have to do is to choose your email address, click this little box here, and click the button Email Cover Template. So you receive an email from this website with your cover template as a PDF and PNG version. And you can use this template, PDF version, and upload it on canva.com. And now we will create a cover in Canva. So right now we are at Canva, and you received an email from bookout.com with the PDF file and the PNG file, and you download the PDF file. It will look like this: KDP paperback, the dimensions and page size, and you can easily drag and drop it into Canva, and it will generate you the perfect template, the perfect sizes for your cover. So as you can see, now the upload is ready. We are clicking on the template. And as you can see, now you have the perfect template to work on to create your cover. The cover designs are always looking the same. So the first thing we have to do is to make a little middle line here. And we can choose elements, forms, and create a little middle line like this. We can do the positioning right into the middle and make it, for example, gray. Okay, so this is the middle line. And as you can see, you have the only space you can use is the white spaces here. And here is the barcode. And this is the maximum trim size where you can put your cover on. Okay. So as you know, on the cover, always on a composition notebook, is a little box where you can write in your name, your grade, whatever you want. So we created this little box here very easily in Canva. We choose a squared image with a blank field in the middle and choose 3 lines, where the first line is a little bit more up. And on the second and third line, you can write your name, grade, subject, whatever. The next thing is to choose a good font where it says composition notebook. And you can choose different types of fonts in Canva directly. So for example, we are looking for a good looking font, maybe something like this. We will turn it real quick into black. Composition notebook. Select the size, maybe around about 40. I think it's still a little big. So now it says composition notebook. You can write your name and your subject or grade or whatever. And now the only thing what's missing is a good cover. You can target different types of niches. For example, you are creating a graph root, composition notebook, butterfly design or vintage design, math design, school design, marble design, whatsoever. In this practice example, we are going for a school themed cover. So we are looking in Canva of elements, of school elements. School, maybe we can find something good. So for example, I looked for school items, and as you can see, there is a very interesting looking graphic. And now we will use this graphic to create our own type of school themed cover. What we are going to do, we make this a little bit smaller, copy it, paste it real quick. And as you can see, we will zoom in a little bit. And do the same thing over and over again. And to make the video not too long, I will show you how it looks like if I do this copy and paste method on the whole page. So now I created the whole thing on the complete page. And as you can see, it looks like this. And now the things we have to do, we have to delete the basic template and we have to make the positioning again. So the first thing, we delete the template of Book O. Deleting the background, change this right into the middle, put it all into the back. And now the only thing left is the box with composition notebook. And we will make a little background so you can see it more. This is a very, very basic cover design, but as you can see, it goes really fast. You only have to choose a right theme. So for example, butterfly composition notebook or something else. You can easily create for free your cover design in Canva with booko.com. And now you have all the things you need to have to upload it on Amazon KDP. You have your graph root interior from Self-Publishing Titans, and you have your cover easily created. And now you can upload it on Amazon KDP, write a good title, subtitle, book description, and hopefully making good sales. So now we are at the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this little tutorial, this complete tutorial on how to create a graph root composition notebook and a cover. If you like this video and want to see more videos around about Amazon KDP and building other passive income streams, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I wish you all the best and we will see us in the next video.